Most of us think American military vehicles are just those green Humvees we see in the movies, or maybe the classic Abrams tank. But if you think that's all the Pentagon has in its garage right now, you are missing the real show. Deep inside classified testing grounds, the U.S. military has spent billions building a new generation of tactical machinery. We're talking about buggies wrapped in heavy armor that climb stairs, and trucks so big you need a ladder just to reach the steering wheel. Today, we're looking at the top 10 next-gen U.S. military vehicles that are currently changing the rules of warfare. Trust me, you'll want to see number 1. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get into it. Number 10. Plasan Yagoo. Let's start with something you might actually mistake for a weekend toy. If you look at the Plasan Yagoo, it looks exactly like those recreational off-road buggies people use to jump sand dunes for fun. In fact, it's literally built on the chassis of an American Arctic Cat Wildcat. But the Pentagon took that lightweight plaything and turned it into an absolute assassin. They wrapped the whole thing in advanced composite armor that can stop 7.62mm assault rate fire from a full 360 degrees, but somehow kept the weight at just 3,300 pounds. That means you get the protection of a heavy armored transport with the insane agility of a dirt bike. The Yagoo can climb stairs, rip through tight city alleyways, and go up slopes where a traditional tank would just roll backward. Plus, the driver controls a rooftop machine gun using a joystick inside the cabin. It's basically a real-life video game vehicle built for special forces. Number 9. M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicle. If you're a soldier on the ground, the absolute worst thing you can run into is a hidden minefield. It stops an army dead in its tracks, unless you have this massive monster leading the way. The M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicle is built on the legendary M1 Abrams tank chassis, so it carries that same heavy armor meant to take direct hits. But instead of a standard cannon, it carries something way more insane. It fires a rocket that drags a 350-foot hose packed with thousands of pounds of C4 explosives deep into enemy territory. When that hose detonates, the shockwave clears a safe path over 330 feet long in a single blast. Then, it uses a massive 15-foot wide steel plow to tear through the dirt and push any remaining mines aside like a snowplow of death. Soldiers call it the Breacher because when this colossus rolls up, the enemy line is finished. Number 8. M270 MLRS. The guys who fight alongside this next vehicle gave it a nickname that will make your blood run cold: the Grid Square Removal Service. The M270 multiple rocket launch system doesn't look like much, just a boxy rocket launcher sitting on tank treads. But its real power is pure nightmare fuel. It can vomit a full salvo of 12 lethal rockets in less than 60 seconds. Instead of aiming at a single target, it completely saturates as a 1 square kilometer area with thousands of steel submunitions from dozens of miles away. It can also fire GPS-guided precision missiles that hit targets up to 93 miles away. It strikes like a sledgehammer, reloads in minutes, and drives away into the trees before the enemy even realizes where the attack came from. It's pure, terrifying 21st century artillery. Number 7. Robotic Combat Vehicle, RCV Light. This is where we start getting into the future of warfare, and honestly, it's a little creepy. The U.S. Army's new Robotic Combat Vehicle Light is a diesel-electric hybrid tank that weighs less than 10 tons. Because there are 0 humans inside, it doesn't need heavy armor to protect a crew, meaning a cargo plane can easily drop it straight into a hot zone. A soldier sits miles away, controlling this machine using a modified gaming controller and virtual reality goggles, while the tank rips across rough terrain at 40 miles per hour. But don't let the light name fool you. It packs a 30mm automatic chain gun and anti-tank missiles. The military uses these expendable robot scouts to draw enemy fire and breach dangerous lines, proving that the infantrymen of the future might never have to step foot on the actual battlefield. Number 6. MV-22B Osprey. For a long time, military engineers were obsessed with a simple question. Helicopters can land anywhere, but they are slow, while airplanes fly incredibly fast but need a massive runway. What if you could blend them together? The answer was the MV-22B Osprey, and it completely breaks the rules of aviation. This hybrid uses twin 38-foot rotors that point straight up at the sky to take off vertically like a helicopter. Once it's in the air, those massive engines mechanically tilt forward 90 degrees in mid-air, instantly transforming the craft into a high-speed airplane that screams through the sky at 316 miles per hour, nearly twice the speed of a regular chopper. It can carry 24 combat-loaded Marines deeper and faster into hostile territory than anything else on the planet, even though its complex design caused plenty of controversy during development. Number 5. X-47B Stealth Combat Drone. We all know about drones, but the X-47B is on a completely different level. It's a stealth combat drone shaped like a seamless flying wing, meaning it looks more like a UFO than an airplane. While standard drones are flown by pilots on the ground via satellite, the X-47B runs on highly advanced AI algorithms. It absolutely stunned naval engineers by becoming the first unmanned aircraft in history to take off and, more importantly, land on a moving aircraft carrier completely on its own. If you've ever seen a fighter jet try to hook a cable on a tiny runway while an aircraft carrier bounces on rough ocean waves, you know it's the hardest move in aviation. The X-47B nailed it every single time, and it even completed autonomous mid-air refueling at 20,000 feet. The message was clear: human pilots are slowly becoming optional. Number 4. DM Guardian. This vehicle sounds like it belongs in a Star Wars movie because it doesn't fire bullets or rockets. It fires pure light. The DEM Shored, nicknamed the Guardian, is a fully operational combat laser bolted to an 8-wheeled Stryker armored vehicle. It uses a 50-kilowatt laser that shoots an invisible, silent beam of pure heat, tracking targets with pinpoint precision and literally melting hostile drones and mortar rounds mid-air. Why is the Pentagon so obsessed with this? Because a traditional anti-aircraft missile costs over $1 million per shot. A single blast from this laser costs just a few cents worth of electricity. As long as the vehicle has fuel to run its generator, it can keep firing forever. It's already been deployed and tested in the Middle East, proving the laser era is officially here. Number 3. AC-130J Ghost Rider. If you are ever down on the ground and hear a heavy, low hum circling thousands of feet above you in the dark, you are out of luck. The AC-130J Ghost Rider is the ultimate aerial gunship, and troops call it the Angel of Death. Engineers took a massive cargo plane and packed its left side with a terrifying amount of firepower. We're talking about a 30mm automatic cannon that shreds armor, precision glide bombs, and the crown jewel, a massive 105mm heavy artillery cannon, the exact same caliber used by tanks on the ground. The Ghost Rider flies in a continuous, slow banking circle over the target, raining heavy artillery shells onto a single pinpoint spot for hours without rest. You will never see it coming, but you will definitely know when it arrives. Number 2. LAR-LX. Forget about stealth, microchips, and lasers. This vehicle makes the list for one simple reason: It is absolutely, brutally colossal. The Lark LX is an amphibious steel mountain on wheels. To give you some perspective, each of its 4 tires stands a massive 9 feet tall. You have to climb a literal ladder just to reach the driver's cabin. This giant truck can drive straight off a ship into the deep ocean, drop its hull into the water, and use twin 4-foot propellers to sail through rough waves like a cargo boat at 7.5 knots. Once it hits the enemy beach, those massive rubber tires grab the sand, and it drives straight onto solid ground, carrying a mind-boggling 66 tons of heavy cargo or an entire company of soldiers. It proves that sometimes the best engineering solution isn't the most high-tech one. It's just the biggest. Number 1. Next-Gen M1E3 Abrams. Taking the absolute number 1 spot is the newly redesigned king of the battlefield, the M1E3 Abrams. The US military looked at modern drone warfare and realized the classic 73-ton Abrams tank was simply too heavy, used too much fuel, and was vulnerable to attacks from above. So, they scratched the old blueprints and designed a next-gen Apex Predator. The M1E3 cuts the weight down to under 60 tons using a high-efficiency hybrid diesel engine that lets it hunt silently. But the real magic is the completely uncrewed turret armed with an automatic loader for its massive 120mm main gun. All 3 crew members sit safely down low inside a heavily armored titanium capsule inside the hull. On top of that, it features an active radar system that detects incoming anti-tank missiles or kamikaze drones in midair, automatically firing a blast to obliterate them yards away before they ever touch the tank. It is an unkillable smart land warship that secures America's ground dominance for decades to come. It's pretty wild to see where that massive defense budget actually goes when you look at machines like these. The Pentagon isn't just upgrading old gear anymore. They're weaponizing the laws of physics, from cheap directed energy lasers to unmanned stealth fleets that can land on a ship in the middle of an ocean storm. But hey, I want to hear from you guys. If you were a commander out in the field, would you want the raw, crushing power of the 105mm Ghostwriter gunship watching your back, or the silent, drone-melting precision of the Guardian laser? Drop your vote in the comments below, because I'm really curious to see what you think. If you enjoyed this look at America's heavy arsenal, do me a quick favor, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss another deep dive here on Vision Base. Thanks for hanging out, stay sharp, and I'll catch you on the next one.